This is ERi-TV English News, broadcasting from the headquarters in the capital, Asmara. It's me, Barsa Betakhla, with your latest updates and insights on the world's most pressing issues. Coming up are the top stories for today. Abuna Basilios gives benediction. The Ministry of Education conducted an activity assessment meeting. Israel orders Gaza City evacuation ahead of new offensive. And at least 60 killed in DRC in an ISIS-linked attack. And your domestic reports. His Holiness Abuna Basilios, the sixth Patriarch of the Eritrean Orthodox Tewahedo Church, gave a benediction in connection with St. John's holiday. In his address, His Holiness provided a detailed briefing on the background of the holiday and extended congratulations, wishing a joyful holiday, peace and development to the Eritrean people, both at home and abroad, particularly the faithful and members of the Eritrean Defense Forces. He also called upon the faithful to lend a helping hand to disadvantaged citizens. In another news, the Ministry of Education conducted a meeting on 8 and 9 September to assess the progress of the 2024-2025 academic year and discuss the program for 2025-2026. Mr. Petros Hailemariam, representing the Minister of Education, stressed that conducting such assessment meetings is vital in addressing challenges, consolidating strengths, and ensuring integrated efforts to bring about qualitative change in the teaching and learning process. At the meeting, reports were presented by heads of regional education offices, the Sawa Warsai Kaalo School and the Eritrean Community School in Saudi Arabia. The reports covered activities from preschool to high school, illiteracy eradication programs, public participation in the teaching and learning process, results of national examinations, and cultural and sports activities, highlighting both achievements and challenges. The participants held extensive discussions on the reports presented and adopted various recommendations. Still with your domestic reports, Sagam Junior and High School in Tesene recognized 27 outstanding students who scored a GPA between 3 and 4 in the 2024-2025 National School Living Examination. The awardees are members of the 37th round of the National Service. The ceremony, organized on 6 September, was attended by parents, students, teachers, as well as heads of various government and public institutions. Mr. Taki Medhane, director of the school, congratulated the awardees and their parents, urging the students to work harder for even greater success in their college education. He also reported that out of the 234 students who sat for the examination, 59 qualified for degree program, while 33 qualified for diploma program. Mr. Taki further noted that the objective of the recognition was rather to inspire fellow students and called for continued participation to sustain the program. Mr. Adam Bashir, head of the education office in the subzone, stated that the achievements were the results of collective efforts by students, parents and the school community. He also urged the awardees to continue striving for excellence in higher education. Mr. Siyum Gabrayesus, administrator of the subzone, also congratulated the awardees and their parents, calling for reinforced efforts to achieve even better outcomes. Their parents called for reinforced efforts for better outcome. Dear viewers, we'll be back shortly with your international reports and more, so stay tuned. Welcome back. The Israeli military has issued a new evacuation order for Gaza City residents, signaling the start of a major offensive to seize the enclave's largest urban center. A move that threatens to deepen the humanitarian crisis and complicate stalled ceasefire efforts. The planned takeover aligns with Prime Minister Netanyahu's strategy to capture Hamas's remaining strongholds and assert long-term Israeli security control over Gaza, despite mounting international alarm over famine risks and civilian suffering. In today's final report, officials said that on Monday at least 60 people have been killed while attending a funeral in the conflict-ridden eastern region of the Democratic Republic of the Congo in an ISIS-affiliated group attack carried out by the Allied Democratic Forces, or the ADF. According to a local administrator, the ADF attack caused around 60 deaths. But the final toll will be given later because the territory had deployed services to the area to count the number of beheaded people on Tuesday. Further reports indicated that the majority of the victims were killed with machetes, while others were shot. The mineral-rich Kivu region has been a flashpoint for months, as the DRC and allied groups have been battling the Rwanda-backed M23 group and has dozens of armed groups operating there. The ADF has taken advantage of the volatile security situation to expand its operations. Dear viewers, that was it for today, but before we conclude, a quick recap of the top stories. Abune Basilios gives benediction. The Ministry of Education conducted an activity assessment meeting. Israel orders Gaza City evacuation ahead of new offensive. And at least 60 killed in DRC in an ISIS-linked attack. Thank you for watching, and we'll be back tomorrow with more news and developments. But until then, have a good one.